Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori, and you know what, we do have not your like way up at the top where everybody comes out of the woodwork and wants to see what you got because it's a boxy charm. Well, I've already done all my boxy charms. So this is the new Allure beauty box. It is different. Look at this. It's kind of matching, you know, some of the other beauty boxes that we've received because the other one was just, it was pretty too, but you got to admit, this one's pretty cool. All right, you open it up. Inside you have from the beauty experts, and it is red. Seen that color before? That's right. Here's your little sneak peek. There's a lot of goodies in there, and there's also goodies that I'm very familiar with. You do get a little pamphlet, and in this pamphlet has a really detailed description of each of the items that are featured in the box by the employees of Allure. Well, our first product, this is the Dermalogica Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This is considered full size. Does it say how many ounces are on here? 1.0 fluid ounces, $42. Okay, so the next one is Josephine Cosmetics. It's Eye Dazzle, the liquid metallic eyeshadow, and it's Meet Leona. $30. It's pretty. This is pretty. And I was wondering, like, what is Meet Leona? Well, Leona happens to be my grandmother on my father's side, my dad's mother. That was her name, Leona. And I think it's an absolute beautiful name because you don't hear it that often. And check out this color, folks. Check out this color. And we're gonna do a little swatch right here. Oh my God. Wow, that is nice and wet. And it's gonna dry. I did try it out, okay? So this is going to stay wet like this, and you have about 30 seconds. Do one eye at a time before it's not gonna move on the outsides and before you won't be able to blend it. So once you see this, within 30 seconds, it will start drying. Not necessarily in the middle, but all this outer part. And then it's, so get to moving it around and continue, because after it does even do this, you can still manipulate the inside as it starts to begin to feel like a powder. But gorgeous color, I mean, gorgeous color. Leona. How pretty. When I say that, it does. It reminds me of my grandmother, and she passed away quite some time back. All right, now we have Kadar. This is the moisturizing lip mask in Lip Bliss. It's the perfect lip bliss. Now here we go. This is her right here. I'm looking at it right now in the sun because I have the west facing sun right now coming in the window. Folks, mine's empty. My tube is completely empty. There is nothing. There's no product in here. I can even see like this. There's nothing. And when I went, because I had suspicions when I saw this, it was torn open. And then you get this, there's nothing. You get air, but no product. If you have an issue with Allure and something that is received like this, that's defective, something's wrong with it, they will not fix it. So I'm just letting you know that. In my experience, and I'm just one person, you get what you get because all the boxes are pre-packed. This is what everybody gets. You have no select, no choices. There is nothing. All right, let's now get on to the next item. SkinMedica Instant Bright Eye Mask. And this is, well, they're $48 for 6 sets of 2. Why? Well, because they are little eye masks, the ones that go underneath your eyes. I have never heard of this company. I don't know. I haven't tried it. The package is still closed. So sometimes I will try the products, and then I'll let you know, hey, by the way, guess what? We got this and I like it. But no, I have not tried this. And I love, oh, you guys know I love me some under eye mask, especially the Wander Beauty, you know, the baggage claim. Oh my God, those gold eye masks. Neogen Dermalogica Real Ferment Micro Essence at $38. Ah, right here in this little jar. The one thing I do like is that it does have a lot number on the bottom, and it does have the expiration date. Now, the thing that I have been getting a lot of questions on, and I've always gotten questions about this in the past, is, you know, your expiration date. Okay, real quick, let's recap on this one. On your container that you get your products from, there's going to be a lid, looks like a little jar with a lid open on it, and you're going to see a number and a letter M. If it's 12M, that means 12 months, and then it expires. Your product's usually not going to be effective, or it's just toss it in the trash. Sometimes if you haven't opened it, you haven't broken a seal, you haven't removed the foil, they're fine. They're good. The clock starts once you rip those little tabs open. So don't go tossing these things out unless you opened them. This is kind of one of those things that I'm actually really happy about because it doesn't expire for a couple more years. So I will have long used this. At $38, I don't know if I will purchase it. The next one is under the category hair. I have used this. Matter of fact, when I shampooed my hair 2 days ago, I gave it a really nice hair mask by Nature Lab. And this one's the Nature Lab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. And I love this stuff. I have a very large jar that is the hair mask, which is not the same. Same company, but not the, it does something similar. This one's the Shine. So this one does a little bit different. But this company, oh my God, they produce some wonderful hair products. And this one here is $16 at their web, oh no, at Ulta. 16, I forgot that you can buy Nature Lab at Ulta. 16 bucks. All right, next one was my mother's favorite. She absolutely loved this one. I said, so what color do you think this is? Right away she says it's orange. I said, no, it looks red. She goes, it's orange. This reminded me of my mother. My mother was my #1 fan, and it didn't matter if I didn't have one subscriber. As long as I had her, everything in this world just seemed like it was happy, and it was absolutely wonderful, especially when it came to me starting my YouTube channel. We lost my mother on July 10th to COVID, and there's not a day that goes by that I don't think of her. There's not a day that goes by when I'm recording a video for my YouTube channel that I don't wish that I could see a comment from her. I especially miss the 1 o'clock. Mijita, I'm waiting for another upload. And she wanted to try this. These are the face masks by Wen. And I will tell you, the last one that we got that was kind of, I think it was like green and red. It had the red and orange. I did try it in her memory. Oh my God, these face masks are amazing. And I would love to purchase like an entire box, but they're kind of expensive. I mean, they're $5 just for one. $5 is a lot for a face mask. Anyhow, these ones they do have the sheet on top, the sheet on the bottom, and the face mask is in the middle, the serum that activates within the face mask, and it is a long mask. They are 30 minutes. The next one is by ALLURE. It's the Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. And this is this little, but anyway, this is Welcome to Skin Wellness. This is by ALLURE. It's the Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizing, and it does retail at $18.99. Okay, these were the products that we received in the November Allure, which is the new priced beauty box. Just changed last month. Used to be $15, is now $23 because we are getting a few more full-size items and I think 1 or 2 more actual items in the box. So starting out with and ending the last choice, the Biocellulose Sheet Mask, 30 minutes for that thing right there. And then we have a facial moisturizer, which is the 12-Hour Ultra Hydrating by ALLURE. We also have the the scalp scrub by Nature Lab, and it's the Perfect Shine Clarifying. And then this one right here is also a deluxe sample, and this is the Micro Essence and it's the Real Ferment by Neogen. Then we have, let's keep on going, the Instant Bright by SkinMedica, and these are the eye masks. It's just a pair. This is this is a full size product as well by Kadar, and this is the Perfect Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. There you go. Mine is empty. Not much I can do about it. That's full size. Then we have the Josephine, which is the Eye Dazzle. It's the metallic eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. Here in the color Leona. Don't ever forget that the color's Leona. That's my grandma. Very pretty color. Very pretty color. And this is it right here. See it now that it's all dry? I told you, once you get it where it's going to go, it sticks. It's very pretty. I put it on yesterday. Very pretty. Last product that came in this box is by Dermalogica, and this is by Cosmeceuticals, and that is this right here. This is the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum, and it's right here. If you remember, maybe you do, maybe you don't. We received this a few months back, and this is the Dermalogica as well, and it was the extra. This is the eyeshadow mascara. You guys remember that? You remember that? So I do not know if this stuff works, meaning I do not know if this is going to work. Now, I did tell my daughter that I think she really should because of her issues with regards to breaking out. And it does help with the pores, and it helps get your pores clean, cleanse, boom, out, get the gunk out, and then kind of closes them up. Not kind of, it closes them up. And this happens while you sleep. So this is a night serum. Go to bed feeling like it's not, you're not all there, your face isn't, and wake up feeling fan-freaking-tastic. Well, I hope. But I have wide pores on my chin, which she did say, the gal, not Devin, but the gal that also I'm very familiar with, and her name is Kathleen. She said that she also has those issues too, to unclog her pores, which I don't have clogged pores, but I'd like for them to close up, especially right here and right here. I think that's kind of the place a lot of people have issues with their pores. So full size, we'll see, 1.0 fluid ounces, and I'll let you guys know. You know, it's all going to go into trash talk anyway, so it's where all of the products end up that I used. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to record a trash talk while I've got everything out. All my recording stuff is out right now. Yeah. And my face is done. Nobody said anything about my face. I don't think anybody's out there. All right, you guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and welcome to all of you who are new. I really appreciate it, and I hope you do come back. I hope that you set the bell to all, and you will be notified when I upload my next video. So until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And so for now, bye.